With the dawn, a steady stream of cargo moving through the morning mist.
Quality control check on line 4. Repeat, quality control check on line 4.
System online. Processing capacity at 98%. Quality inspection protocols active. Diverting substandard units.
Some say processing factories destroy the natural quality of fruit. But is that really true here?
At this moment, every watermelon is going through a hidden selection process you never knew existed.
Harvest sequence initiated. Note the crystalline separation at the cellular level. Data logged.
Processing sequence initiated. Slicing bay 4 active. Quality assurance parameters met. What you are seeing here is the first step of turning solid fruit into liquid form.
But many people believe this stage is where the fruit loses its natural identity.
The viscosity appears optimal.
Experience the future of refreshment. Crisp, vibrant, and perfectly chilled.
It's heavy.
Put it in the crate quickly. More are ready. Slowly, brother, it weighs a ton.
On the bottom.
Watch your hands.
All right, let's move.
With the load almost full.
Gently.
Yes, boss, right away.
And bring the next empty bin forward.
The weight on bin 7.
Yeah, clearing the scales now. I need the green slip.
On the bottom.
Watch your hands.
All right, let's move.
The weight on bin 7.
Yeah, clearing the scales now. I need the green slip.
Those bins carefully. We must finish loading this shipment before noon. Make sure the count is exact on the clipboard.
Everything is checked and signed. Make sure the cargo count is exact before sealing the truck.
Will do.
Slow down. Watch the left side. Okay, bringing it down now. Pull it tighter on your end. Okay, this one is secure now.
Watch the road. It is rough ahead.
We will return by evening.
Here are the papers for the shipment, sir.
Everything is in order. You may proceed. Welcome to Parle Agro. Do you have the delivery challenge?
Yes, Sahab. Here it is.
All right, papers are in order. You may proceed.
Thank you, Sahab.
Keep moving. Clear the bay.
Watch the forklift on your left.
Dere. Come back straight. Bus. Stop.
We have 42 pallets for this run.
Okay, we'll start with the cross-dock items first.
Be careful with the next pallet.
Yes, checking the count now.
Station 3. Ensure consistent water flow. All units maintain speed.
We have to check every single one very carefully before it moves on to the washing stage.
Using high-velocity water, the system removes even the finest dust, revealing the perfect rind underneath.
Only the finest watermelons make it through our meticulous polishing process. Perfectly clean.
Keep the line moving, brothers.
Wait, there is a crack right here. Take this one out.
The yield on batch 4 looks consistent.
Yes, the sensors are performing optimally today.
We check every single one by hand. Only the best make it through the rinse.
Once cleaned, the fruit moves into the processing hall, where our high-speed robotics ensure maximum yield and efficiency.
The moisture levels are consistent with the standards.
Very good. Carry on.
The precision of the automated slicer ensures maximum yield with minimal waste, processing up to 5,000 units per hour.
Line 3. Increase flow rate by 10%. Quality control check at Station 4.
The crimson liquid, now fully processed, moves toward the final filtration stage.
फिल्टर पूरी क्षमता से काम कर रहा है।
The readings match the manifest.
All right, send the clearance to the control room.
Looks good. Maintain the current temperature and flow rate.
System check complete. All levels optimal for refinement stage 3.
Tank 4B, watermelon juice. Levels are rising steadily. All systems check out. Here is the latest batch sample. It smells very rich. Data transfer verified. Opening the pneumatic valve. Here, the vibrant pink watermelon juice begins its journey through the aseptic pipeline system, ensuring peak freshness. Control room. Batch 42 is entering the ultrafiltration sequence now. Pressures look nominal.
Through this meticulous process, the vibrant color is retained while all impurities are removed, ensuring perfect clarity. Quality control is paramount. Every batch of our crimson pomegranate juice is meticulously checked before bottling.
The flow rate is stable at 500 liters per hour, transferring smoothly to the main holding tank. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision engineering ensures every container is built.
The clarity is perfect on this batch.
And the volume is consistent. Approved.
Quality control announcement. All samples from batch 7R have passed initial inspection.
The consistency is perfect. We're looking for that deep red color and absolute clarity before it moves to the refractometer.
The technician applies 3 drops of the sample to the prism. This ensures an accurate Brix reading for quality control.
Sample A, final pH reading 7.00.
Sample 1, initiating sequence. Let's see what we find.
당신 도리잉 나페칠라이 Phơi sền trắng thì thời đi sát xâm hàm. Thằng City Phơn Đùm Thùng Thạc. Sẽ nên còn tùm thạc kiến phết chạc.
Here is the final quality check approval, signed off.
Everything looks good. Starting the flow now.
At the heart of the Parle Agro facility, we maintain the highest FSAI standards, ensuring quality in every bottle.
Line 5 production is stable. We're approaching the capping stage now.
Ensure all FSSAI and batch codes are clearly visible before dispatch.
जल्दी करो, ये कंसाइनमेंट अभी भेजना है। स्टॉक चेक कंप्लीट हो गया क्या?
Yes, move forward slowly now.
And lower it right next to the Leyland stack. Perfect.
From our hands to the roads across the nation, we move with precision and pride.
A majestic view of the expansive Parle Agro Complex at golden hour. Subscribe for more